Life Academy offers a comprehensive ethical hacking training program that helps you excel in this demand field. Our certified ethical hacking course covers everything from penetration testing and network security to cryptography and incident response. Learn to analyze vulnerabilities, safeguard against cyber attacks, and gain real-world experience using industry tools and techniques. Whether you are a beginner or an IT professional, this course will empower you to protect systems and networks, establishing your expertise in data-driven world. Life Academy is your partners in building a successful cybersecurity career. Our ethical hacking program offers industry-focused curriculum, dedicated placement mentorship program, corporate etiquette sessions, and a valuable LMS course kit. In partnership with EC Council, providing you with the globally recognized certifications. Get benefits from pre-recorded training sessions, one-on-one personalized mentorship, placement mock interviews, and training from industry experts. You will gain the knowledge, skills, and confidence to thrive in the cybersecurity field. Ready to take a first step towards a rewarding career in cybersecurity? Enrolling in Life Academy's ethical hacking training program is easy. Simply visit our website or click on Enroll Now button. You can also talk to our advisors for more information. Don't miss this opportunity to gain skills and knowledge that you need to protect our digital world. Become a cybersecurity and an ethical hacking expert. Enroll now.